Chargy.
Chargy.
Ready up now.
That's true, man. That's it, man.
Just kick off him on.
Monetize. Thumbnail for it and shit. Oh, up to the general. Respect for your birthday, blessings and great things as it. Up top and I chat in our boss, dark boss, and all the other things in the page. See, done. Now we're done set up and things are in the phone. Yes, the general. Yeah, man, people, bro, big up on yourself for the day. The birthday is first stream from Earth channel. What's up, my boy? Tomorrow, in the morning, right, it's gonna be better. Yeah, man, poison, man, do the bra for my friend. You see me? Do the bra for my friend. Right. Ready up. Don't have anything planned for later more than sit and play my game. Okay, and I feel say if you want. Which challenge me have left for you?
You think I done a challenge them? About that junk, I visit junk and loot lake.
Yeah.
Told me challenge I'm supposed to be a tier 100 pound this.
Yeah. Challenge me have left for you over here. Yes, just I go by Junk Junction over there, the visiting thing.
Yeah.
Yo, Michael Clark. Welcome to the stream, bro. What's up?
Enemies wanna like nobody no come over here. Punches. Elite, I don't know about outside or whatever you would.
Yes, yeah, you need. Oh, Jamaican bad, where you deal with, bro? Long time I don't see I hear from you and broski. Yeah, go on with. King Govern. Yeah, go on stream some Fortnite on the Earth song, you know? Damn man, bless up on your strong my G. More life man, I hear that I'm family. Just more life bro. Big thanks out there for your next one though. Enough people don't live to see it in the youth. Big thanks out there and I heard that one. Boy, you see me? Give thanks out live to see it too.
Maybe I can find about that Tuesday.
You stress, happy birthday. AJ, what's up? Thank you for the birthday wishes, AJ. Pretty girl should say, I'm not gonna call you AJ, remember? Thank you for the birthday wishes. You're gonna let me and you play PUBG tomorrow, right? And what's up? How was your day also?
Game a log your fuck. Can't do a billion piece.
Cool. Oh, that's okay, that's okay. When you get the time, when you get the time to play, we play. Yeah, when you get the time to play, we play.
Yo, Silent Sky go far, you know.
Yeah?
Silent Sky go far, you know.
Yeah, man. Have a look at this distance, sweet, man. John, want some music. Computer, don't know, come on. But I got to go to sleep, but talk to you tomorrow. Okay, AJ. Okay, pretty girl. No problem. Talk to you tomorrow. No problem.
Gang.
Yo, bless up for your struggle.
More life, my friend is it. Holy for respect. Oh,
Nice, bad rest of the day.
oh, the bra finger, man, broski.
Yeah, more life, more friendship, and more wealth,
See
more
it?
food, more money, more
Oh, well, you
subscribers
know?
in the new year.
You
Yeah,
feel
that's
me?
it. Full package.
Uh,
Yeah, but I bought some Fortnite. Easy.
eh?
Yeah, but I bought another Fortnite.
You just come off of it, you know, man. For the pub. Get up, man. The dog get all the wind from the new map on the snow for a while ago, too.
But,
Yeah.
door.
Yeah.
First person too.
Yeah, in the first person, we and the dog up there doing.
Shit.
On the snow map, forget the wind, man. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, dog. Come on, man, take it down, man.
Nice, man.
The dog come up here far and go jump on the far and like whenever a dog man would have sit there in a PUBG, man.
Two. Those are happening. I ain't gonna start part this.
And I party, I realize one come here, I invite him, I realize that. Nothing, you know?
Yeah, man. Yeah, time and I'm in, man, brother.
Yeah. Yeah, me hit the new sniper, yeah, you know, not sure like it.
The silent one.
Silence. Yeah.
Some really that bro off storm. Rocket off it drop in a crowd, you see. Just hurry up and group up. Go away. Oh, Tada. Kill him for your charge, don't worry yourself.
Yeah, man. Oh, you there, that's all the school.
Yeah.
Alright, I thought you say war, I'm playing the real war, man.
Where are they?
What about, theater? What, I can't build the step this dog.
See, I were charge. Running for me like say, I feel place.
Yo, Kejan Junks up. We know them dog gonna try na this. That's why them a boss up top. Up top. Yeah man, I'm a birthday for show man. We are saying how fiancé life on them things. If you have to life get viewers. Yeah man, today are the GD dog, isn't it? I'm never for peace and feel this, so I'm just dead still time.
I mean, worst thing when you chuck one boy, you know, man.
Up top. Yeah man, I'm doing it, bro. Yo, show him the dead. Yo, dog. That's what I'm telling you, something. He ate the shotgun with a portion, you know.
Boy, me don't know, but me love the shotgun, dog.
Me give the man a shot straight in him fucking face. I gotta tell me, say no, brother.
Every man ain't gone, man.
Oh. I want to play that one match and get vexed and come out. Up and done there, man.
Try get 3 kill. Oh God, how old is that? Two of them now? Yes man, 2 of them.
Yo, yes, I'm a general, we link up and this. Rough.
Lobby, you know.
Brandon, a fucking gun save.
Yeah, the online man.
Right, dog, man.
I'm not to me now a match making up for join up when you're done. Yeah, we are Prim C online, you know. Join up now. I'm in charge of there.
But Poppy me say that we know we get for the snow map sweet to in a youth.
What?
Papa. I'm telling you, if we just get used to the first person, dog. The first person sweet, dog.
You mad man, you see them man. Chop up boy with gun in their face. Headshot straight.
And I don't want to play on one way name that I want to play on either first or third person because it's two different stats dog want to build up one of the fucking stats then. Yeah, but I switch in between. So my third person one I do.
We up our hills, me I go haunted hills. I'm trying to realize.
Oh boy, big up yourself with the general. Yeah, Baba General, oh Baba, big up yourself, but is it. Respect for your greetings, same with oh bro. Respect for your birthday greetings, bro. Yeah, so I'm gonna run some Fortnite, man, just come off my PUBG, is it? Alright, man, my boss says it. Yes, man.
No much I do no forward.
Dark, so you much done you forward.
Yeah, man.
see them boy. As I see, look at stinking boy, them you have to bust a gun upon them and they fly set time.
Yeah, tilted the war there.
Into the water.
Over there go safe over there, you know.
You wanna if I shot you, me damn do the challenge. Just can't pull on a saw wait for me now. Over here, why there? I never know so that's a shootout in there, you know. Oh no material. Well, two each I kill myself for person. Want an explosive weapon. And middle of the garrison. Don't fly around them.
Big ball.
box over here, you know.
Spotify. Drive it. Push it down here.
I have to find him though. That me tell you. If we blast like your whole place, we have to find him. Natasha. I said Natasha go on. Natasha go on serious. You don't give me a chance to land. I will get rid of some of them buildings and then too much over here. Nah, mad over no girl. Man, then say Munga, girl, stress up Munga go kill the girl to pussy clot. Yo, people terribly, you know. So yeah, they are going there now. Yeah, they don't want much.
I teach us 3 fantasy.
YouTube. What that government? Go and play, man.
That's how it goes.
No man, that's alright man, make it stay on the level with it.
Lonely Lodge. Ready up, charge it.
Hold on, man. Hold on.
I got this say. You walk out in a car when you join them the policy there. Munga prefer go kill her.
Type out them car. Yeah.
That worship. Nah mad. Nah mad over no girl.
If I kill that, not your crush.
Deaf.
Yeah, bro, the boss, if I kill that, I can't crush a man.
You're bad. Nah bad. Watch it glider. No. You look a punk glider here, man. Run your munga. I don't know what.
How I know?
Pussy clout enemy there.
Whatever the in the chamber. Oh, it is. And a floor line. I'm going to get into your foot cheesy. Probably where you find this floor. Anyway, because we have the big one. Nah, brother, that's the other ring door.
Hey man, you take every chest over here to pussy clout.
Shoot off, boy.
Dog, I'm not seeing a Ringo.
violate, him the place last time. Oh, I got it. What is that doing with this now? What was this that I pick up? Right, but Joe, if you be about to leave, but
I find a rocket launcher charging.
No, my friend. Well, one spot, I'm fine.
big yard. Things that the car everywhere.
What a body ball like this, a man block me up with my job, you.
Those stimulant are all going to murder two boy over there.
Things that the car everywhere.
Dog boy not playing.
Big guys, all of it now.
One press. Thing a jump out. Tino Leafy Chopper. You see nigga then say name Tino Chargy.
Yeah.
The man that boss me in that game, you know.
Eh? Oh, true.
Yeah, man, I run down a dog level.
Yeah.
To them down at ends. Man in the town regular too, you know, because he got the producing John Black and something.
Yeah. Up, Yardy, up. Blessings, my boss, to the greetings, my boss, Yardy. Yardy, they're not join up. You're joining the lobby, Yardy. What go on?
Man, dog.
Where the boy I go, man? Go look somebody kill the idiot. Charge, you ready? Land in the middle now.
Let me forward. Yeah, I'll go on.
More ride the bike. We want to kill somebody when time somebody ride the bike.
Oh.
Don't move. To one boy, yeah.
See me.
I wanna go on. Yes, it's not locked down. Watch out, it's not locked, you fuck. Dog, sometimes you hit the game, man. The next boy on top there. Find the war, Yeah. Dog, that one, the final more. Oh, we complete.
Let me complete.
Yeah.
Come here, ride the bike.
Oh. See boy, so. See boy there, so. See boy there, so. Yes, so. You don't get this, see me? Fire it. You get it?
Oh, I saw a different man take the kill, man.
Sophia not completed.
Oh?
Where there? Come in, come in. Away you are gone. Boy, yeah. Boy there. Away him turn.
I'll kill him already. Ah.
Look where man them on land side, you pass up. You can't see none of them and shoot them. Shoot them now.
Let's see on it.
See boy straight ahead of me also. Straight ahead. Boy, let up one partner then. See boy, shoot him.
Stop now, stop. One, up. Stop. But why you them? So. What's the one I got?
Alright, so one of them are flying coming at two. See me a fly go towards him. Look straight ahead. You see him?
Yeah, see that boy going here. That boy here. And them thieves.
Take that one there fast. See one straight ahead. Take him.
Sorry.
I see him thinking that reach me, dog. I see him thinking that reach.
Come from my boy. The quarter man come from the boy. Quarter.
Yo, all that boy not come off, man. Not right no bite with that boy, yeah. Get fucked, not right no bite with him. Boy, come off, I bite now.
Oh, you know, so I'm doing push it over.
How you do him? Can you kill him off?
Just carry the boy, I go fly, make it fly away with him on the wakai. Okay, sir. You might already come back and do it. See me? See that? See that? Okay, so.
You're gonna fling your bike out place with him.
Okay,
What do you mean?
I'll treat a seat pattern.
No, how you say it make me a laugh? I can't go fling you off place.
I will tell you. I want to go fly with the bike. I'm sure I'm trying to go in that crowd there, but I'm just doing a detour, man. Off our cliff. No fucking. Invite the audience.
I'll never be sitting there coming for me scream my boy. Oh yeah, they send more invite. Oh, join him and make him join me.
Make it, yeah, invite him.
I can't invite him, you'll say accepting invite.
I'll just spoil it there.
Oh,
I'll join him then.
99 I'll be like, I'll just start play one match. Get to look a madman now. Tier 100. We can't outlive opponent in this team rumble.
But long lado slow.
Oh.
Ice Storm Challenge. What?
Destructor Arrow. 6 more of that. A search chest over lonely lad. You know the ice on them forget it sitting there. You call it the carriage.
Yeah, man, I do that blood.
You see rap when I hit.
Yeah, man, I just rap alone, but yeah, what are them there, man?
Heal them into Ice Legion 20%. Destroy members of Ice Legion 300. 10,000 SMG. Destroy elite members of Legion 100.
Abby, what the months? Yeah, man.
You ready up charging?
So we have a current on the PUBG, man, dog, man. I go on. Fuck, like, no lag, man, I see that emote there. Yeah. Don't worry. There's utilities, man.
Come go in and feed me. I go pass and let me go.
I'm here, bro.
Right, no, way.
My boys. Been okay, dog. Got life. Today is my birthday, you feel me? I'm just chilling. Yeah, dog. Braff, man, my friend is it. Oh, the braff, bro. That ninja, so you buy PUBG, is it, bro?
I don't have PUBG.
When you gonna buy it? When you gonna get it?
Maybe 2 months.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's when I get it.
Oh, okay then.
Alright, well, I have to go to bed.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm just playing some Fortnite, bro. You know?
So much things you look about the phone and buying.
man, them a ramp, man, them a grind. What we know about me and my two pistol them? No, one all over here. I'm gonna invite you.
The ball, big up yourself, bro. I free, bro. Up in a Jeremy and the baller. Big up yourself every time, bro. Feel me?
Don't know where the boy lit me from, but he slapped me from somewhere.
Yeah, man, my boss. Blessings for that, isn't me? Don't know the shit where you out. Another year, you know? Just another number down, you know? Don't know the braff in the go. And a regular braff, you know? Blessings, man, my generous. Oh, teammate in there. Who are we are dead either? Who are we have to dead this? Since mascot, they have detail wait for man.
Boy, like you never follow me for an ear, me say. That's me learn.
Shotgun, I'm not a fan, but I'm learning, I'm using.
Boy, they find out too much somebody away, man. I know where man they find out.
You better use a blue pump than a heavy. Yes, you better use a blue pump than a heavy. It's really and truly me not a person who have a shotgun, so you know. Boy, I don't see me use a shotgun dog. I can feel like I decide to say, alright, I take up a one shotgun and I see it. Yeah man. You know shotgun fun, isn't it? The dog. You know my gun. Yeah, for other people, but not me.
Boy, spot me. What a boy there snipe.
bomb building this. I'm going to just spam RPG or grenade or whatever, grenade launcher.
Charge your channel ain't done.
Wait me alone and see vehicle sitting on. Hello.
See how there man, how the night sitting there.
See you man. Raw game shot there. Now invite Darby, I say I play though.
Yeah, man, so me run it, man.
Yeah, so on PUBG with a still now, I invite her to the game to come.
I got a game chat.
Darby there.
Yeah, day.
Yo, man, I'm a date.
Bruh, you know.
Yeah, go on stream, you know.
Yeah, I tried to do them challenge, you know.
No,
Yeah, don't you challenge them it.
I just start, I'm not pay for a morning. I have 3 left.
Hey, there, T100. Yeah, go on, good boy. Max out the man. Ready up charge it.
Hold on, I invite Darby.
Oh, can't go and below you then. Man, some of the top smoke, me smoke too hard. Laugh, I joke.
A week challenge, maybe not 2 more challenge to get this.
So we can run some. Oh yeah, after the challenge, then we can go to some scrub.
I need to shoot vehicle challenge
Can charge, you can do that one day.
and explosive.
Oh, get a rocket launcher.
Yeah.
And the bill one, only chest me have to search.
You never play battle, right? You never play Rumble, that's why.
Oh.
The solos me that play.
And so in time I'm one of the battalion and I do it too.
Come on, the reason I'm going solos is because I do the ice challenge.
Yeah. Complete couple of them for my next file. Go charging like that game mode, you know?
I like it.
What? I almost get a winner fight.
I easy win that one, easy win.
No, no, my nigga named Savage.
Pile up too quick, no, the challenge will just come on too quick. And I do,
Yeah, challenge them come on quick, man. You will show me how to get the bonus one.
When it got done.
No. Them will give it till the season ready for done.
Must be a bit by then.
Alright.
I'll have a bill up for you then.
See all them things that my cousin buy them things.
My cousin not gonna reach tier 100, man.
George. So my bunny man fight and I buy things out of my cat.
Oh, what about that thing they would have a card? And they put the game.
So me game they on it's something they can't they on me game.
Me did have one
One
pump.
day and they on my phone.
Right, me have
My phone
one
and
me
look
game
at
one
the
day.
things I chat.
And me I tell you say, me can't talk by. I fuck you can't fuck up right, you know, so me I too bye bye now.
Cause I buy them so.
Ready,
I think
Charlie?
I'm Africa, my PayPal, Take me Africa, my PayPal just log into my account. And nobody can touch my game.
So anybody can just I love for me thing because me alone play my game.
I don't even know one thing from this number one. I was not really this for building something. I'm not sure more for build up on anything.
So me forget the explosive. I step away straight and I see me can find that. I find an explosive.
More chest,
Yeah,
more,
man.
4 more chest.
So link.
Go alone in
Still can't get-
search chest.
Why do you feel so fast?
No, they know how to put that snowman shit out there, I think. Nobody wants to somebody use that shit.
Yeah, dog.
Hold on away with me.
Over where?
Abby.
I made the right side in.
If I find out I put on to my one.
Snow map. Only for things change as snow map and anything.
Oh, Derby, when I left that place, I use a bike, you know.
Yes, sir.
When I left that place, I carry a bike with it.
King John, big up yourself, my boss. Just as you coming. I pray.
Get me the money.
Look like I'm dashing my glider, so. I'm not.
What is?
What charge? I put everything name, dog.
Okay.
No.
The Derby, see a
You
ghost
want to play
car.
them thing?
Yeah, one ghost car, the way is a Derby.
Which one? Which way it is?
In the day I see me, I come to close here. I'm big pot up here, so, and over here say it goes there.
But when Bush he just come out, what are you using?
When me just
Was
start
lost.
playing, I'm in around for the bush.
Alright, I find my launcher, you know. I'll be ready.
Come on. Yeah, ready, you know.
I'm gonna pull a last stress.
Run on. Oh,
Alright, grab a bike now, see a bike.
No,
Go grab
no.
a bike. Grab a bike first.
you get some money. You drop those fees.
Grab a bike there. You see a bike over here, so door.
Yeah.
Let's see, you know. Because I scare again, a different ghost scare.
You can't get out on the
Yeah,
come
boss.
give me man. Fuck. Yo.
I'm scared him, that's yours.
Get one come give me man, me give you one sniper.
I have a ghost sniper too.
Boy, you sit there, the scare come.
No, that's space feed. Right, there is a vehicle me out for. Also, may I keep it up? May I keep it up? May I keep it up?
Me can't ride on them plane.
Man, I'm not going to better leave give me a good night.
You want something there, man?
Yeah, open for a shot, too. Oh, wait, the dog, we're going to have to go for a dog. You know, see that?
Yeah, see something.
We need a vehicle.
I'm shopping chart. Oh,
Yeah, they may come towards there now. Oh, yeah, they. Alright. You can't come for the plane, come shoot the nigga, you know.
Get some money.
Breeze blow your way. Something what? How many you down there, boss? Yes, sir. You put it there. What the plane?
Yeah,
Yeah,
we
man.
plane. Yeah. So I come for scare man
Playing
already.
ready, sir.
They were wait for it, they were wait for it, unless I might have it, unless Darby have it.
David take up a scare.
You take up a two
Yeah,
of them.
no, man, one stay alone.
Right, forward to go, please. Get it, yeah, about it.
Yeah.
Come for go.
What's so funny right? Me not see it, you know? Downstairs, upstairs. Oh, I see it now. I'm not left no good shotgun over here.
Blue. Yeah, same thing that no matter the market, you know what I'm saying? So I care about some, I'm gonna drop some little vanilla about some boy. The boy don't get care about.
Let me look for.
Charge your fight boy. Just charge it.
Charge your company plane.
Hold on there. Pick me up now.
Yeah, me do the challenge already now. Me done the challenge.
Which one?
The damage up on plane.
Pick me up there. Where is Andy?
Just shoot.
Rocket launcher me use.
Rocket launcher.
Hold on, I have 2 more kills. One bar, 2 man on us. Recommended now. What?
Go on to that. Charge your come and the plane there.
Yeah, man, I phone up. Me try to reach. Oh, man, light up my screen before I could have reached the I see them spawn on the side of it.
Try to save Darby, but I got dead.
More than 50 arms. Oh,
Fuck that, wait a minute.
I just remember one more.
you spawn out of something.
Come back, charge you. 1 shot enough.
Yeah, murder me.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, the way I move, go push.
On the stream. So, can't walk a boy forward, you know. Live on the rooftop, charger running down. Where that boy charge you?
Oh boy, I'm 1 shot.
1 shot, you kill
Lord, yeah, the siege. So like everybody go off and then it kill me, who we go off and kill me and him kill me.
Yeah, what, you hear that?
No fun more. Yeah, we kill him.
Boy, Darby, you take me kill.
Who in the killer? Go some fucking thing up and I'm building that whole thing.
You can't find...
See if we can find some tomato over there.
I can't look for. The boy them go grandma house. Grandma house, the boy them go. 3 boys gone up there. What? How much that? 186 meters night boy from one way out there. So. What? Night boy again, 123 meters. Come out of the tree, you.
I call the storm.
Sniper, me I work with you now, you know, man.
Let's see, I know.
Look at fish. Try, you know.
Charlie sniper feel sweet.
Yeah, man, I'm there, boss, man.
A heavy. And a heavy in a make sense, you know, man.
Normal one.
You have to hear the twitch sound in a man. In a serious.
Bolt action, I'm gonna work, you know.
Give me a duck. Give me a duck.
Look, your mother hungry, pussy.
I remember to me have grenade launcher challenge that a base sniper me as a kill boy. I'm wicked you man. Just to get me some challenge, you know.
I first cannot lose when we are pretty.